Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a 10-minute makeup tutorial. The 10-minute portion of the video will not be edited. I'm going to use the products that I bought during the 11/11 sale. If you have not watched that video, I'll link it somewhere up or down so you can see what I got. Let's get to that portion of the video. Sorry, it's raining outside, so you might hear some guruh lah apa semua kan. Okay, so I've already prepped my face with an eye cream and face gel. Today I use this Ginzing refreshing eye cream. I don't use this often. I only use it when I need some depuffing or brightening for my under eye. And for face, I'm using the Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. The orange one. This one I think is for fatigue skin, so I've not been getting a lot of rest lately, so when I feel that my skin is not it's looking dull and everything, I will use this for my moisturizer. So for this 10-minute makeup tutorial, I'll be using stuff that I bought during 11/11 sale, and also some other stuff that I usually use when I do my 10-minute makeup on a daily basis lah. So we'll see whether we can actually complete the look in 10 minutes. So I'll put a timer. Hopefully I can show everything that I use and also complete the look in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna set the timer starting now. So to start, usually I will always start with a primer. I mean, you can skip this part, but usually I will actually put primer. It's more of so that the makeup stays put the whole day lah. If you're going out lah kan, tapi nowadays kita tak keluar sangat, so it doesn't matter lah. Okay, so while that is setting in, I will actually do my eyebrows first, because to me that is the part that is paling ambil masa lah kalau nak buat kan 10 minit tu. So usually you just focus on the areas that yang you rasa you will take time to do it, so you focus on that area first, then you go on to the parts of your face yang macam tak perlu banyak masa lah, that you can do it like fast. To be honest, I nervous sikit ni, tak tahu sempat ke tak 10 minit ni. Let's cuba guys. Sorry if you can hear the thunder, it's raining outside. So usually what I do is to ensure that you can complete the look in 10 minutes, you make sure all the things that you want to use is all laid out lah in front of you, so barulah sempat kot 10 minit tu. Kalau tak nanti nak cari barang lah, you wanna you nak cari brush, nak cari all the stuff, nanti memang tak akan sempat lah 10 minit tu. Okay, dah 3 minit. Kita dah guna 3 minit dah. So it's already like 7:44. Okay. Only have 7 minutes more. Not started on my face. It's okay. Just focus on the areas that I said. Focus on the area yang you tak tu, sorry dulu buat. So focus on the areas that. Okay, so I think my eyebrows are okay. I need to go to do some threading, but yeah, okay. I think I better stop talking. Okay, so I'm using the Precisely my brow pencil from Benefit, and then this is what I use on daily basis. Tengok dah nak habis dah. It Cosmetics CC cream. So it's a CC cream, but it works like a foundation as well. I mean, it covers quite well. So this is what I usually do, and it comes with a pump. So memang kalau I dekat dengan kereta ke apa ke, memang senang lah. Dia tak ada spill ke apa kan. I'm using the sponge from Keybest. Texture wise okay lah. I don't really like this sponge sebab dia macam tak soft sangat, tapi okay lah. I think this sponge was like only RM1 kot. So for RM1 sponge, I think it's quite alright. So because I use this as my primer. So okay, we only have 5 minutes left. Okay, I don't know whether I can do this, but it's okay. So for concealer, I'm using Keybest concealer. I'll link everything in the description box. Products that I use and everything. So usually in 10 minutes not much you can do, but the best you can do is to, you know, make a very simple presentable makeup. Kalau you nak keluar pergi somewhere nearby ke, or you macam rushing to go somewhere, so if you can cut down your makeup routine to 10 minutes, will be great lah. So I'm just gonna set my face, my under eye. So we have 4 minutes to go. So already you can see macam, actually kalau some people dia dah pakai everything, dia dah cover all the necessary things, dia dah go to go lah. I pun kadang-kadang I just need to cover certain areas lah. Tapi hari ni my skin is usually, kalau my skin macam tak okay, romantic sikit lah I kena cover. Tapi today it's okay. So I'm just gonna, this one actually you boleh skip lah, tapi I memang suka at least ada macam flash of colour to my face. I'm using the butter bronzer from Fragrances Formula. Blush from the same line, butter bronzer as well. Sorry, the butter muru-muru butter line, the butter blush. So you can see this colour is quite neutral, but gives a bit of colour to your face lah. Okay, so okay, for eyeshadow, since we only have 3 minutes, I don't think I have much time. So see, I have to find my brush lah, apa semua. Okay, so usually what I do is I do a very simple eye look. Maybe like, okay, I'm using this palette, the satin palette, the all matte palette from Keybest. Already put some, so using the same brush as well, I will dip into a darker colour just to give definition to the eyes lah. This is an all matte palette, so we only have 2 minutes left. So yeah, I'm just gonna, kalau nak cepat kadang-kadang I just buat tangan je. So I'm just gonna take one shimmer colour from the Mars palette, and yeah, one shimmer palette, I think I'm going to take this color, just pat it in, just to give a bit of. I'm going to blend. So next for lips, I'm going to use the color Kissing Balm in color red, spice red I think. So I'm going to curl my eyelash. I only have 54 seconds left. So I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. 33 seconds. Ooh. So only have 10 seconds left, so just gonna touch up everything, and yeah, that's it. 10 minutes up. So yeah, so this is the finished look. So I think for a 10-minute makeup look, I managed to make it look, you know, fairly decent. 10 minit kan. So I got everything. It's just that I didn't manage to use a highlighter, but usually kalau nak lagi cepat macam just put blush lah, highlighter dengan bronzer tu is like additional lah. But what do you think? I think it looks quite okay. You can see. So yeah, so that is the 10-minute makeup tutorial. So I'll have all the products that I use linked down in the description box. And if you like this kind of videos, please give this video a thumbs up so that I will know what kind of videos that you guys would like to see more of. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!